Hi guys! Congratulations on the purchase of your new Fusion IQ heat press. In this video, we're going to run you through how to set up and use your heat press to ensure you get the best press every time. First things first, we'll turn the press on using the red button at the top. Ensure you're running your heat press on its own dedicated 10 amp circuit. The Fusion IQ system uses a touchscreen control. You can go in using your stylus and select the temperature using the up and down arrows to increase. If you need to jump a significant amount of temperature, you can also use the bar up the top here. Make sure when you are setting your heat press, it is according to the transfer recommendations. You can also adjust the temperature in the same way, up and down arrows to adjust and using the tick to save. Next, you want to adjust your pressure. Now we recommend between 5 and 6 for our heat transfers. When you are testing the pressure, what you want to do is set it on your screen and then close the heat press. It will alert you if the pressure is not high enough. If this is the case, simply open the heat press and turn the adjustment knob on the top to increase your force. The Fusion IQ allows you to set a timeline of up to 4 different settings. We recommend using this when programming the press for a pre and post press. The Fusion IQ allows you to connect your press to Wi-Fi, which gives you up-to-date software updates. For information on how to do this, please watch our separate video. The Fusion IQ can be programmed to auto startup. This means in the morning, your heat press can be switched on automatically and be ready to go when you walk in the door. One of the reasons this press is so popular is that it features both a drawer for easy access and swing away feature. You can jump between the 2 modes using the pin at the back of the press. Once you have your heat press ready to go, it's time to start decorating. Spread the garment onto the platen. Line up your transfer and close the heat press. This is a manual release heat press, so once the timer reaches 0, you will need to pull up the lever to release it. From here, you're fine to peel your transfer. If you prefer to use the swing away function, make sure you use the handle when sliding it out of the way. For tips on how to maintain your heat press, please watch our maintenance video on the Fusion IQ. If you have any questions or issues setting up your heat press, make sure you contact your authorised Hotronix distributor or call Velflex directly. Thanks guys, happy pressing!